calling all cats. I'm having a birthday party for my cat. I set out mats and balls. I hang yarn and balloons. I make a cake. It looks like a fish. I ran down the street calling all cats. I say, "Come to my house for a party." Look, he's calling. I do not have a cat, Chrissy says. I watch her dog. This is Chrissy. Her dog plays with a toy mouse. Her dog likes milk. Her dog lies in the sun. Your dog thinks she is a cat, I say. She can come to the party. Look, the dog is eating here drinking milk, sorry. Here the dog is playing with the mouse. And here is lying in the sun on the mat. There are 6 cats at the party and 1 dog who thinks she is a cat. I give them party hats. Look, they are wearing the party hats, different colors. And the dog is wearing a party hat. Okay, the party starts. The cats and the dog play with the yarn. They drink milk in the bowls. Look, this cat is playing with a blue or green yarn. This cat is playing with a purple yarn. This cat is playing with a green yarn, and the dog is playing with the green yarn. The other cats are drinking milk in the bowls. It's time for the cake. We sing happy birthday. The cats and the dog eat the cake. They are eating the cake now. Then the cats sleep on the mats. But the dog isn't sleepy. The dog runs to the door. She wants to play. She says, "Roof, roof, open the door. I want to play. I'm not sleepy." The dog gets the ball. Cats do not do that. The dog jumps through the hoop. Cats do not do that. The dog plays in the water. The cats do not do that. Look in the picture. Here the dog gets the ball. Here the dog jumps through the hoop. Here the dog jumps in the water. Your dog is a cat. Or your dog is a dog, I say. The dog goes back in the door. Now the dog finds a mat. He wants to sleep now. The dog sleeps in the sun just like a cat. Look, the dog is sleeping in the sun just like a cat. That's it.